Okay, this sheet of paper here is our edge banding requirements provided on the Cutlass Plus program, and it lists the length of every moulding that you require for your project. It gives it a banding number, B61, etc. And the program will give you all of your F-channel mouldings in a list, and then it will give you all your overlay corner, and over the page we will have all our U-channel. And as you'll see here, I'm cutting the overlay corner. They always start at the top of the list with the longest pieces required, and they go all the way down to the shortest pieces required. It has the banding part number, which you'll write on the moulding, its description, and how many of each one. And as you can see, I've already been cutting out, so I've gone through 4 down to all finished. And on this B76 810 long, I've done 3. I need 1 more. So we'll stop here, and then I'll just show you how we're going to cut that. While the Duralite mouldings come in 2.4 metre lengths, we do want to be you're cutting them economically, and that's where this edge banding requirements list can really help. I have an offcut here, and I've measured it, and it is in fact 1320 long. So I can go down my list, and I see I need one more length at 810, and when I check that, I find that that will leave me 512 left over. So I can run down my edge banding require list, and I see that there is two 510 lengths, and they are coded B70. So out of this one piece, I will cut one piece at 810 and code that with my marker at B76, and then the next piece that I cut, I will cut at 510, and I will mark that at B70. So what I do now is, as you'll see, I have already marked out each of these lengths. I have gone through and marked from my blade. I've marked them out on the masking tape, squared it down. So I'm going to travel along here to find 810, which I have right here, and I will just reach under there and release my block of wood, slide it along to 810, bring the clamp along and tighten that. Then I will slide my moulding along to the stop, and excuse the noise, but I'll start my drop saw up. Then I will take my Sharpie marker pen, and I look at the 810, 1 left to cut, B76, and I will write that inside the channel so it's not never seen, B76, and that is then cut to length. And I will just show you where I've made this moulding rack, and it's rather flash, but you may make something that's just out of custom wood, and I'll place that in there with the other B76s that I have had to cut. And then I will shift my block down to 510, which I have marked here for my next cut, which is 510. I'll put that there, put my clamp on, and I will have the last of my little offcut, and I will cut that right there. So then I will mark that one also for the code in the channel.